In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the Open to Work badge on LinkedIn. This feature is a great way to let recruiters know you're actively seeking new opportunities, and it can give your profile a little extra visibility. So let's dive into the steps and get that badge up and running. First things first, head over to linkedin.com and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll need to be logged in to access all the features necessary to set your profile open to work. Once you're logged in, you'll see your profile icon on the upper right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to your personal profile page, which is where we're going to make all the magic happen. Once you've reached your profile page, the next step is to click on the button that says Open To. This button is easy to spot. Usually, it's right below your profile picture. When you click on it, you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you want to select Finding a New Job. Clicking this will open up a window where you can customize your job preferences. Here you'll have the option to indicate the specific roles you're interested in, your preferred job locations, and other details that can help recruiters match you with appropriate opportunities. Now, as you are setting up your job preferences, you'll also see an option for audience selection. To make sure your Open to Work badge shows on your profile, click on All LinkedIn Members. This choice allows everyone, not just recruiters, to see that you are open to new work opportunities. It's a great way to let your entire network know, which can be beneficial if someone in your extended professional circle can offer assistance or referrals. Once you have set all your preferences and selected your audience, the last step is to click Bow. This action finalizes your settings and will officially turn on the Open to Work badge on your profile. You've now effectively communicated to the LinkedIn world that you're ready for new challenges and opportunities, and there you have it. You've successfully set your LinkedIn profile to show that you're open to work. This small change can significantly increase your visibility to recruiters and help you find that next exciting chapter in your career. Remember, keeping your profile updated and actively engaging with your LinkedIn network can further boost your chances. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your job search.